Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today I'm going to walk you through how to fix Roblox error code 279. How to fix Roblox error code 279. And the first thing you should know is that Roblox error code 279 means there's connection error. That is connection failed error. So let's get started. It will take you less than 2 minutes to fix it. The first thing you need to know is that the first thing you need to do is make sure that the Wi-Fi that you're connected to is very strong. If not, you can also use another Wi-Fi and click on extension. If you are using any type of VPN, go ahead and remove this. Now remove the VPN and then use the Roblox on its own. Now, next thing you're going to do is go to the software, type in network reset. Open it, select reset now, and then select yes. Once you're done, go ahead and restart your device. When you launch Roblox, it should fix your network connection problem. If this helps, hit the like and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one.